What's up, Camp Chef owners? Eric here with PimpMyGrill.com with some awesome new products for all those Woodwind pellet grills out there. Now, you asked for a folding front shelf, and Pimp My Grill delivered. Our innovative design features 304 stainless and seamlessly attaches using the existing bolts from your stock upper rack. The brackets easily clear your sear box, your side tray, your side kick, and even your pizza oven. And for those of you who are pro owners, you're probably concerned with how you're going to access that smoke box. Well, we've got that covered too. The Pimp My Grill front shelf has a tilt setting so you can easily access that smoke box. You can even purchase the optional paper towel holder for all your butcher paper, foil, and extra large paper towel needs. Finally, our patent-pending slide-out rack systems are now available for all Woodwind models and work seamlessly with this front shelf. We'll post a link below for more details on that. If you're interested in these American-made products and many more, visit pimpmygrill.com or visit your local pellet grill dealer. Please like and subscribe for more innovative products for your pellet grills. And if there's anything you'd like to see us make, please leave it in the comments below. We'll see you next time.